I'm sharing a reel with you. It's in the description. Watch it, and then you can watch this video. Did you see it? Okay. So, guys, my first thing is, I always say, if you are from a class 1 family, if you are having if you have a lot of land holdings, or if you are having houses and house in India, and you're doing really well in India, I've given criteria multiple times, so I'm going to repeat all that here. But if you're a class 1 person in India, you should not come. Class 1 or above, you shouldn't come to this country. Class 2 should think about it. Class 3 and 4 should just come here. So, for anybody who has come here now, whether it's class 1, many class 1 people have still come here, right? Nobody listens to me, right? So, they still come here. And class 2, 3 and 4 also come here. They should definitely come here anyway. So, anybody who's come here, now that you are here, you should learn the basic rules of this country. The first rule is, do not worry about loans. I've told this so many times. This country is running income country. Even if you drive Uber, you can easily make 100K a year. You don't drive because you have some better plans, but you should understand how this country works. Even plumbers make more money, even cleaners make more money, even by standing on gas station you can make money, even by cutting grass you can make good enough money, right? You are not really doing the things right. If people say oh, my friend is in America, or a person who is in America may say that, oh, I'm not making money, what are you talking about? Because he's a student. So, please watch my video. I'm clearly saying MS is a useless degree. Start making money. What are you doing here in this country? You're here to make money. You make money. You're here for education. Don't. I told many times that the bachelor's degree or a master's degree is raddi ka tukda. I don't know why you are pursuing that. So, if you violate all these principles, that's where the issues start to come. They're part of my basic CSO principles, right? So, so another principle that I really wanted to learn is, definitely not disdain the loan. Loans are essential here. Loan work very well. It's bad for India, where the rates, interest rates fluctuate, where this fluctuates, that fluctuates. But here in this country, and plus there is no running income not for class 1, class 2, 3, 4. There is no running income, but there's no running income, and it's not guaranteed. You may have in India, you can have I know people who have a big portfolio, let's say 4 acre Jameen worth 10 crore, but their income is not even 10 lakhs a year. So India is different. Here, everybody, even the labor class people, make a lot of money. Yeah, I told you once I did a math that even if you don't have any money, then if you have unemployment, then even then you make money. Person may say, oh, I'm on a visa. Then solve the visa issue. Learn the problems of this country and solve those issues. Even in Canada or Australia or this, solve the visa issue. Once you solve this issue, a lot of issues will be resolved. Don't worry about loans. If you have to take a loan to resolve these issues, like for example, visa issue, then do it. Right? Do not hesitate to take loans. Please don't make your life hell by applying principles of India on the things here. I made a video. If you are in USA or in Canada or in Australia, you should make it a point to never go back. If you keep thinking I'll go back one day, actually you should no. I made a video that you should decide what you want to do. If your decision is to stay here, if your decision is to stay here, then you should just stick to this place. And if your decision is to go back, then you should go back. People who suffer the most are the ones who say that they will go back, but then they don't go back, which is very, very common case. Many people who want to go back to India, they never go back. They keep sticking around here. The point is, guys, those are the issues of the life here. This loan is not an issue. You taking a loan is not an issue. You not resolving the issues is the issue. You not thinking of those issues as issues is the problem. You don't thinking that MS is an issue, You thinking H1B is not an issue, is an issue. Yeah. H1 is a very big issue, which you don't know. I've made so many videos about it. I've called L1 as a slave visa. I've called H1B as a slave visa. I've called MS as a useless degree. And I've told that you should basically work towards green card, and you should be ready to put a lot of effort into that. Those are the things you should be working on. But what happens is, I've seen a guy who was having a lot of visa issues. When I gave him the solution to his visa issues, he asked me one question, uncle, what will happen Uncle, I have a question. What will happen to my bachelor's degree? I said, that fucking bachelor's degree will go to Raddi. That's a Raddi ka tukda. Don't pursue it. He said, I will not be completing my college. I said, you are not. See, that's the thing. You pursue it after you resolve the visa issue if you really want to do it. First get green card and do whatever you want. So this is the issue that people have, that they don't know the issues, and that is what causes a lot of problems in this country, right? Causes when people are in this country. This is the issue. So this person is his karza, his loan of student loan is not an issue. I've seen people, student loan, kuch nahi hua, kuch nahi hua, kuch nahi hua. In this country, it's very easy to pay. Think about this. I gave you this example to a friend of mine in Pakistan. He said that he had a 20 lakh loan, he bought a car and things like that, and it became 60 lakh loan. But because the interest rate was 18%, 20%. You know what the interest rate in America is? 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. Nowadays it's written a little bit, but again it's fixed. It's very important for you to know that it's fixed. In America, the the interest rates are fixed. Did you know this? My car loan is at 2%. Why should I worry about this loan? It's practically free money that I got for 7 years. Many people don't understand these basics of loans, basics of the surety of life here, basics of the surety of jobs here, especially in America, which would come only if they have resolved this visa issue. So not recognizing this problem, not recognizing visa as a problem is the problem. Otherwise, there is no other problem. All right. So this is my central message. And by the way, my secret shortcut, my secret shortcut formula for making $1 million a year, in that there are a lot of loans involved. That's one reason I talk about that. Because that's how you solve the cash flow issue. You take credit card loans, you take SBA loan to make it cash flow positive. Yeah. So you being scared is not a good thing. And you will be able to make money, and you will be able to get the green card faster, and you will be able to make money and pay off these loans very easily. But then you have to understand, in this country, use loans to basically solve your problems. And if you are scared of these things, then you will not be able to solve your problems. Okay? That is another reason, this secret shortcut. I'm trying to tie all these videos to now secret shortcut so that you guys can understand what this secret shortcut is about. It works. It works for everybody. It will work, right? But it's a secret. It's a secret. It's a shortcut formula that I've devised over the last 25 years of my life. Whatever I achieved in 25 years, I'll be able to give you this formula, and you will be able to achieve this in 25 months. All right. So as part of that, there are loans involved, and that's one thing you should be comfortable with in case you really want to do this. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. Thanks. Bye-bye.